All right, so if we want to create an exploded view of this part, we need to go into the animation workspace. I'm going to go to design, put animation, and now I have my part here, and I'm going to go and use the move transform. I'm going to pull this apart so we can see the different pieces on it. So I grab this piece and we pull it back that way. And I can just click off. Now maybe I'll pick the screw, that one. So I want to pick both of them. I can just hold control, pick both of those, pull those down somewhere there, click off, grab this one. I'm going to pull this one out here, or do that. Maybe I want to move all of these up, then just these two. Now I have an exploded view of this, but this one, these two aren't aligned. So I'm going to go back. I want to do all that. Maybe I'll just grab these, pull all of these down, pull those ones. I could go do it that way. Have this one come out. Have these go up. A lot of different ways that depend on how I want to fit it on the piece of paper. So I make my exploded view here. I hit save. And then when I go back to my design, it's all back together. And if I want to do other ones, I can come down here and create a new storyboard, and I can see one. Maybe I want to give it a different option. That to go up. And those down there. That one down. A more vertical layout. Do that, hit save. Now when I go back to design, I've got this here. When I go to create my drawing, tell it to do that. If I do just the manual, it's going to make just the one of this page. Template. Now, I'm going to do more because of my template, so I'll just do automatic so it doesn't do the bolts and nuts. Okay, I'll let it do its work. Back. Oh, there we go. So now we open it up, made all the pages. Because I had two different presentations, it made both those pages for me, so I can decide which one I want to use. So I can like this layout better, so I can delete that page. Or if I like this page better, maybe pick this down here, shorten that up so it lines up the edge. There we go. I can put that there. Either way, I get the same thing, but I like the other one, so I'm going to delete this page. I think for this example, I don't need all these pieces, so I'm just going to select all those, delete those, and then here I've got this. I like the layout, but I'm going to do some other stuff. I'm going to grab this, click on it, I get the little dot in the middle. I can grab that, move it up, grab the dot there, move it, grab this, move it, reposition some of this stuff. Got over there. Here, we can make it a little bit cleaner on the look. And it'll project side view of this. That's okay. I don't see a whole lot of stuff going on, so we can delete that. Maybe I want to do a section. Section, that. I'm going to line up that midpoint. Come on down. Now I can see what's going on inside of that. My dimensions out. And do an overall. And I can go ahead and pull different, make it bigger if I wanted to. That's the same scale down here, that line. So now this is a much better looking drawing than just having this stuck together. And with Fusion, sometimes you have your template, if you have the exploded view, the presentation view, it'll show it all together. Sometimes it'll just not make the page. Depends on what's going on with the updates. So better idea is just always do the exploded view. That way it's there. All right, bye.